Today I'm going to start a series on Matplotlib. So today I will introduce you to Matplotlib, the ultimate tool to transform raw numbers into beautiful visualization. By the end of this video, you will know what Matplotlib is, why it is so popular, and what you can do with it. Plus, I will show you how to get started with a quick demo. Matplotlib is a Python library used for creating all kind of visualization from simple line charts to complex multi-dimensional charts. It acts as a bridge between raw data and meaningful insights by making data easier to understand through visuals. It was created by John D. Hunter in 2003, and since then it has become one of the most widely used libraries in data visualization for Python. Whether you are a data analyst, a scientist, or just someone exploring Python, Matplotlib is an essential tool in your toolkit. Matplotlib is powerful, versatile, and flexible. You can create a wide variety of charts and customize every single aspect of your visualization from colors, labels, to grid lines and font sizes. Another reason Matplotlib is a favorite is its ability to work seamlessly with other Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and making it perfect for data analysis. Matplotlib lays the foundation for other libraries like Seaborn, Plotly. It often the starting point for learning visualization in Python. We are able to create bar chart, line chart, a scatter plot, histogram by using this, and we can use our customized color, style, markers, labels to visualize the charts in unique. It even support animation for interactive and dynamic plots. There are many other alternatives for Matplotlib such as Seaborn, Plotly, Bokeh, but despite of these alternatives, Matplotlib is still the foundation of Python visualization. Many advanced libraries like Seaborn rely on Matplotlib under the hood. There are many real-world applications where we are going to use this Matplotlib library. We can use this for data science and machine learning, academic research, and business dashboards. We can use this library by installing into your system by the command pip install matplotlib. Where you after that, now you know that matplotlib, what is matplotlib and why it is important. We will start creating visualization in the next videos. We will cover line chart, bar chart, a scatter plot, histogram, and many much more. Each video will include practical examples to help you learn quickly. Today we have covered the basics of Matplotlib, its purpose and its capabilities. You also learned why it is so popular tool for data visualization and how it compares to alternatives. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment below with your thoughts or question. I would love to hear your feedback. Let's make this series as interactive as possible. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. We will dive into creating line charts with Matplotlib. Thank you.